stuff. Today we have a crazy challenge. I actually have a mystery box. There is a box in my backyard with 100 buttons. Now, each button has either a forfeit or something good.
We're about to start the challenge, and the first person to get in is Ahmed.
I'm not first.
Go, just go, Ahmed.
You're already inside. Stay.
No, we're just showing you the demo, bro.
Alright, Ahmed, are you ready?
Yeah.
Press your first button.
Listen, do I get something from this? Like
One button has money prize.
Oh, actually?
Yeah.
I guarantee I'm not getting it.
Ahmed.
Orange juice.
At least you got a healthy juice, man.
Water.
Okay, that's not bad. I don't mind. What's gold, man? What's the gold?
Red.
Flour.
I should have said red.
Exit.
What is that?
Oh, yes!
I told you.
Alright, Lana, it's time for you to press your first button.
Milk.
Okay, how was the first round?
Cold, bro.
Alright, Lana, press your second button.
Blue.
Apple juice.
No, you're lying. This is so cold. Stop, I really don't know. You just had to. No, wait. Brain freeze. Oh my god, bro.
Yeah. Oh my god. It's good for your
It hurts. My head hurts. That's it, right? Stop, Ahmed! God, it's so freaking cold. I'm telling you, you didn't even get this poured on your head. Are you serious?
Yo, press the next button.
Stop it! Guys, I'm really sad. You're really serious. Does that mean I can leave?
No. You just gotta tap.
What?
Only one button is a leave.
That one.
Alright, Lana, press your next button.
Okay, red. Finally.
Water.
Oh god. Okay, I don't mind. I just pulled my freaking neck. Boo.
Exit.
Thank you. Finally.
Alright guys, so to continue on the rest of today's video, we just made it here to the gun shop. Yo, that's crazy, I like it.
Give me all the guns for free.
Is this one strong?
It's from gun. That's why the gun is a bulldog.
Guys, so this gun right here, this is called the Bulldog. 2,600. Honestly, I wouldn't mind, man. Glass case.
This gun is the size of my phone, by the way.
This gun's tiny. Alright, we're about to shoot some targets, guys.
The semi.
Alright, yo, that one's crazy. Guys, sometimes it's all about the size.
I can't relate.
So basically, apparently, this is the most powerful one here. We're gonna give it a shot. Full auto, okay? Whoa.
That's it? Done.
It's done?
Yeah.
How many bullets was that? Jeez!
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
That was like
In a
half a
second.
Alright guys, okay, the last gun I want to show you guys while we're here. This is a monster, guys. So guys, if you're like running around, you know, there's sometimes when you don't want to shoot them, you can just point your knife towards them and yo, surrender. Bro, this is insane. Alright guys, you know what? I feel like the more we're here, the more violent we're getting. So we're gonna get out of here.